It's Wednesday, July 29th, 2026. Our first day at Mexico Beach, Florida. We're right there, and the beach is about a block away. Not a long haul. Some lovely properties here. Lovely palm trees. What do you call those? Date palms? It's definitely not a coconut palm. I have no idea. I'm just a mild-mannered businessman. There's a lot that's been sold. Mexico Beach, of course, in 2018 was essentially blown off the map by Category 5 Hurricane Michael. When I say blown off the map, that's not an exaggeration. This is all new. It's all brand spanking new. Well, that's a lovely property right there, isn't it? Wow-wee. Me likey. We're staying on 39th Street this time. We've stayed on 37th, 38th, now the 39th Street. We've also stayed in several other locations here in Mexico Beach over the years. We always have a good time here. It's a small, quiet beach town. Very small, very quiet. But the beach is absolutely pristine. Let's just take a little look-see, shall we? Just a little quick look-see. Nothing to get excited about. Well, at least it's not raining. Here comes some lovely pelicans. It's as though they know they're being watched. The ladies went ahead of me. Not sure which way they went. Doesn't matter, I don't need them. They don't need me. I imagine they went that way. I think that's the way we'll go. Let's just walk down, take a quick look at the water. Just a quick look. Nothing to get excited about. Nothing at all. Windy out here. Hopefully this little foam cover I've got over the microphone port will block out all that annoying wind garbling noise. Oh, there's Tita Norita right there. I didn't have to go far looking for them after all. She's probably on TikTok and has 3,000 or 4,000 people watching her live stream. She can summon up a gigantic audience within just mere minutes on TikTok. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Hello, nice lady. How do you do? Hope all is well. More coming. Oh, there's Arteliza right there. And their friend is laying down over there. Looks like it's picture taking time. Well, I guess I'm gonna stroll this way. Follow the ladies. At a comfortable, non-stalking distance. The weather out here is, I mean, it's not bad. Tyndall Air Force Base is right over that way, just very close. Less than 3 miles from here. There's a beach over there on Tyndall where I'm gonna go tomorrow or the day after. Not sure exactly when yet. I have my veterans endorsed license, and I brought a copy of my DD 214s just in case. What could it hurt? Not sunny, not rainy, just very hot though. Very, very hot out here. Mexico Beach, Florida. Gulf of America, Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of whatever you'd decide to call it. I've lived in this region all my life, and I've always called it the Gulf of Mexico, and I'm probably going to continue calling it the Gulf of Mexico. Just old habits. Nothing political, just old habits. Nice sea shallop scale. Hold on. A nice sea scallop shell. Yes, sir. Nice to be back down at the beach again. Late July, perfect time of year. Still summer, still vacation time for the kids. Got a little fishing action going on up here. I think I'll go around that. I think I'll just go around that, okay? So I'll tell you what, that little Tita Norita, she is originally from Zamboanga City, far southern Mindanao, Philippines. I mean, she's from the ocean pretty much. Where she grew up and lived, she was almost in the ocean. That's how close she was to it. So she loves the beach. Every time we come down, she can't wait to get here. As soon as we get here, she jumps into her bathing suit and heads down to the beach to create as many photographs as possible for her rather large audience on both Facebook and TikTok. She doesn't screw around with YouTube or any of that nonsense. No time for that. But she's found success on those platforms. Yes, sirree. Very happy for her. She has become well known in some circles, I suppose. Looks like we got a little photograph posing going on here now. I'll just keep a comfortable, non-stalking distance, or I won't even be noticed at all. Won't even be noticed. They'll never even know I was here. Meanwhile, I'm gonna walk over here to the channel, take a little look, see. Huh, somebody left their beach chair there. I ought to steal it. I ought to sit down in it, drink a 12-pack. Alright, so here we are at the channel. Now just on the other side of the channel there is a state park. And I believe there is a $5 entrance fee, but some of us don't have to pay for entrance fees to state or national parks due to our, what do you call it? Oh yes, veteran status. That's right. Been so long I forget. Here's the channel that goes back to the or the canal, I should say, but you know, canal is just Spanish or Portuguese word for channel, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's fairly deep right there, deeper than it may look. About 12 or 14 feet right there in the middle. All these vessels that are docked in various places, going way back here, way back. This is where they make their way out onto the ocean. I don't think it takes a brain scientist to figure that out. This old rust bucket here, I always come take a look at it when I'm out here on this part of the beach. Some sort of a dredge. I'd hate to be the guy working this thing. You know, it has to get hotter than hell in there. Is there even, yeah, there is an air conditioner right there. And we got a little public events area over there. Perhaps this weekend, if it's not rainy, maybe they'll have a little concert for us all. A little water spigot in case you're thirsty or dying of heat stroke. Got a feller fishing over here. All right, the Love Boat soon will be making it on the run. Love Boat promises something for everyone. Set a course for adventures, your mind on a nude romance. Ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. Love Boat. Ha cha 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 cha. So my beer here is getting warm and running a little shallow. So I think I'm gonna ease on back up to the condo there and fetch another. Yes sirree. We'll just get another shot of these lovely tropical island ladies before we close out this first in a series of beach videos from our trip to Mexico Beach, Florida, USA, Wednesday, July 29th through Sunday, the whatever that is. I think it's August 4th. Should be, yeah, August 4th. We will head back up to the dreaded hellhole Atlanta. We live about 35-40 miles northwest of Atlanta, the only livable part of that area. Thank God for it. We will be headed back on Sunday, but we have 4 nights ahead of us. 4 nice long nights, and I'm sure Nora has a rather large audience going there, viewing her live stream. She really reels them in. All right, so that's my first in a series of GoPro videos here on day one. And with that, we will close this one out, ladies. There's Cape San Blas over there, by the way. That's where we stayed a couple months ago when we came down. We were over on Cape San Blas, had a wonderful time, but it rained the whole 4 days. It was just the last day it cleared up in the afternoon, and we were able to get out and go shoot some pictures and video and fly my drone and all that stuff. And then the next day, Sunday, when we left out, not a cloud in the sky. Most beautiful weather I'd ever beheld in all my life. And that's just I don't know, it's just the way it works. It's the what do they call that? The what do you call it when you demonstrate something for the repairman? It'll work, but any other time it won't work. Law, some kind of law, not martial law, Murphy's Law. That's it, Murphy's Law. Thank you. All right, so I can feel that my camera is getting hot, battery's getting overheated. Oh, sun's come out. That's nice. That's real nice. Ah, yes. So with that, we're gonna pack it in. See you on the next one.